Hello class, my name is Sarah and today I'm going to be performing experiment 7, which is the cycle of copper reactions. So first off, I use a drawing. So first off, we have our test tube, and the little thing that you see in there is a copper colored solid copper wire, and we're going to add nitric acid solution to it, and we're going to produce it produces a reddish brown gas, which is nitrogen dioxide. The reddish brown gas, as you can see here, is evolving, and then our final product at the end is the clear aqueous solution of copper 2, or clear blue solution of copper 2 nitrate. And then this is our equation up here. So now we're going to start for part B, and we're going to take from our clear blue solution. We got it down here, and we added aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. This is the sodium hydroxide. We're adding it into the test tube, and it gets centrifuged, and right here it gets centrifuged, and it'll come out separated. So here we have the clear part, which is the aqueous solution, and that is sodium nitrate, and it is clear. And then we have the royal blue solid that's at the bottom right here, and that's called the precipitate, and that one's the copper 2 hydroxide at the bottom right here. For part C, we're gonna be decanting the solution. So we're going to be pouring out the aqueous part of it and leaving the solid in there. And so we have the blue solid right here after it's decanted. And then we're going to heat the solid copper 2 hydroxide, and we're going to heat it gently, creating a black solid of copper 2 oxide in liquid water and liquid vapor, as you can see here. And it's liquid. It ends up being a liquid, but it starts off as being a gas because part of the water vaporizes when we're heating it. So, and we have like little pieces of the water left over. So at the end, it is just the copper. It's the copper 2 hydroxide and the liquid water vapor. Now, for part D, we have the black solid still, which is the copper 2 oxide and water, and then it gets dissolved in the clear aqueous solution of sulfuric acid. So here we are pouring the sulfuric acid into the black solid, which is the copper 2 hydroxide, and it produces a light blue solution of copper 2 sulfate, and that gets it gets fully dissolved in clear liquid water. So that's our solution right here. Then we're gonna take our clear blue solution, which is the dissolved blue solution of copper 2 sulfate, and we add some magnesium metal into the copper 2 sulfate, and the copper solid, it starts to precipitate out, and the magnesium dissolves, and the magnesium sulfate dissolves, and it's aqueous. And then once the magnesium sulfate we have it here, and it's clear now. So it goes from it goes from clear blue solution, and then it goes to clear, and then the solution gets decanted, or you can heat it to get the liquid out, the liquid form out. So then at the end now, we have the copper solid is left with a little bit of undissolved magnesium metal. So here at the last product, we have the copper sulfate, the copper, which is the solid, and then leftover magnesium from after we decanted the last test tube, that last solution. So that's all I have for experiment 7. Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.